Hey everyone, what's up? So today it is work. Today's the 4th day of work experience, and yeah, I talk quite quietly because I'm kind of shy to vlog at the moment. Still, not used to it, not doing it in public as much. But yeah, day 4 of work experience. What have I done so far? Basically, we've had table tennis bats, or should I say? I had table tennis bats, and I peeled off the red and the black sides and the stickers, and then I painted them black, and then on the red side, well, that side didn't paint, and we actually stuck on reflective foil, so basically mirror paper. And, yeah, so you made cheap, like 50-60p mirrors. I will now, as soon as I get back, get my overalls, I will start painting boxes, the big cubes, which should only take me about an hour, hour and a half, depends on what else is needed to be done. And then tomorrow, next week, next Monday, I've got to paint 17 chairs again. Yeah, so should be alright, but I don't know yet. I've got to choose. So much fucking cars. Look like you're playing again. The pigeon parade, going from oldest to youngest in the family. Look at that one. I want to sing.
You want to sing?
Yeah.
What do you want to sing?
Well, I want you to sing and I want to play.
What do you want me to sing? The one with the halo eyes?
No.
The one with the fire?
No.
The one with that's the one with the one with the fire.
Are you okay? Did she hurt you? Did she drop you? Check your guys, just check yourself. Are your heads okay? Are you cut anywhere? We don't have insurance on this, guys. We don't have insurance. Beth, how dare you? We could have heard the YouTube nation.
I'm sorry.
Holy crap.
We could have killed everyone.
Silence!
I kill you. You know, I choose the best name. And I only had like 9 subscribers. One of which was my sister. Thank you for the love. No, don't mean that rudely, but yeah, so stick.
Okay, so the Haydn Concerto for trumpet and an orchestra.
Oi, Sably.
Right.
You almost hit me in the head.
Trumpet Concerto. The Trumpet Concerto was composed 1796 in Vienna after Haydn's second return from England. It was specially written for the keyed trumpet in E flat, invented
Take me
about
out the
that
oven
time.
because I'm so done.
I'm reading. By the Viennese court trumpeter Anton Wader. And the and that's not English.
Well, it's not English.
There's like 2 languages.
Using fake tan just for your sake.
I'm not doing off just for my sake.
Most girls do that.
Another girl I fancy has fake tan, so don't bother me. And actually looks pretty good. Banter!
Oh, I hate
collar.
you sometimes.
Thank you.
Subscribe now. Click somewhere here. Subscribe. That's right.
Subscribe now. Click somewhere here. Subscribe.